Hello, hi Harrison, how are you?
I'm good.
You get started first, okay? You missing one?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me have Jiang your turn, please. Okay. Next one, let's see. Go back to Harrison. Harrison, your turn. So why here you minus 3?
Because you don't check the last two, and you don't need to check the last third one too.
The last one you would check is these two. So this one is less than minus 2, is not less than minus 3,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
You have to draw this. You not arbitrarily do it. Now work on that
Wait, no, I
later.
don't need that.
Work on that later. If you need something, work on that later. First, finish the basic version first.
Okay.
Don't worry about those sidetrack first.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you work out that later.
Dr. Chow,
Yeah,
is this okay?
yeah, okay.
Okay.
Next one, let me have a Jiang. Okay. Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Okay. Go back to Jiang. Jiang, your turn. Hmm. Okay. Next one, go back to Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Oh,
Go check your Java to see which problem. Yeah. It's very strange why inside your for loop you have a return false. What's the purpose for that?
so like I don't have to check if it's out of bounds.
You don't need to check out of bound. Given the array, return true if the first four element of the element is a 9. First four element in the array is a 9. You counter less than 4. I don't know what you are doing. It's stupid.
No, I'm doing.
So your I cannot go out of bound. You actually need to less than lambda length, and then you actually cannot be greater actually out of more than 4. Actually, you have first four elements. So you don't need to have the counter. If the I equals 9, you return true. Okay. If there is a 9, I don't know what you counter for. So you actually just need these. You're stupid, right? I told you you're stupid.
Okay.
You create trouble for yourself. You cancel something for no use. The purpose is to check the first four number that has a 9. And if your array is shorter than 4, that's fine. You just need to check it need to be less than 4 and also less than the length. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
So why do you need to counter? That's actually extra work, right?
Yeah.
So that actually is the wrong way to do it. Okay. Next one, let me have Jiang your turn. You were a little bit too complicated.
Mm.
A little bit too complicated. This one, why you actually check up to -2, that's the problem, because you still may have some
Oh,
3 at the end. So redo everything, okay? Stop, don't do anything. Don't do anything until I finish talking. You may have a 3 happen under here and here. So what you need to do is that just counting the whole total number of a 3 to be three times. That's the first thing you need to do. Second, you check every 3. If you see a 3, they cannot have a neighbor of the 3 right here or right here, right? You
yeah.
just need to check these two things. So first, you need to go through every 3, every 1 to check if there is a 3. If there is a 3, your counter increase by 1. Eventually, this one is okay. But now this one is that you need to make sure that you do not have the 3 next to each other. That's just one
Oh,
if that's just one if statement. So don't you overdo it. Okay, you actually too much. You overdo it. Redo everything. You actually overdo it. Counter needed, return needed. You can keep that. Other than that, you redo it. So you go through everywhere. If it's a 3, your counter increase. And eventually you need to check, go to the last one, return counter equals 3 first. That's actually what you want to do. At the very end, return counter equals 3. That's what you did. And then, yeah, get this done first, and then worry about the neighbors using one if statement.
hmm? Can you say it
Using
again?
one
Oh,
using
using.
one statement.
Um, oh, yes.
No, too complicated. Think about it. Think about it. It's not so complicated. You just need to check your right neighbor. You don't need to check your left neighbor.
Wait.
You don't have the 3
Oh,
next to each other, but if you do have a 3, you check this one, you will know you do not need to check this one because the previous one already checked its neighbor. So you just use a window of 2 to check if there is a 3. Because you have this 3, you check this one. You don't need to check the previous 3, even though that's the idea, but you don't need that. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Okay.
Here you have a -1 because the I cannot be lambda length. It actually is the last one. Okay? What happened? You need to check 3. 3 means that your nums I also need to be 3 because you are not putting them together in one statement. No. That's extra. You just wait. You don't panic. Don't panic. Yeah, okay. This is okay, but okay, don't panic. Okay, slow down. Actually, do finish the idea first. You actually need to think it through, making sure every ready think ready before you do coding. Don't do coding too early. Do coding too early. If you are not clear, you actually will end up writing extra codes. Okay. Your coding skill is okay. Your problem is right now, you should keep your mind clear. Don't have extra messy thought. Okay? That's a part bothering you. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
One more. This is easy. Okay. Next one, go back to Jiang. Jiang, your turn. No, this one, no. Okay, go. You go ahead. This one is different from the previous one. This one, you want to check if there's a 2. There's no 2 before and after. This one, you do need to check the left one.
Next two.
Hmm?
Wait, what?
This one need to check the left one, actually.
The left one? Yeah.
This one
No.
is say that actually you need to check every 2 has the 2 next to the 2, right? But actually what it really means that do you have any 2 that's alone? Then you return false if there's a 2 that's alone.
Wait, don't they eventually like check every single one then later?
Hmm?
Don't they eventually check every single one because like
You need
they
to check every single one. Yeah, you need to check every single one because you check this is wrong. Why do you need to start from 1? Because you were along 2, maybe this 2, like you get started.
but you started here and then you can
Then
check.
you do not see any 2 here. You do not see
Mm.
any 2 here. You cannot do that.
Oh, now I get it.
You do redo it. That's what I told you. Your problem right now is not coding. Your problem right now, you did not see the problem clearly through before you do coding. So this one, you do need to check the left side because you actually have to check every single 2. You need to find a 2, and then the left side and right side both are not 2. So this one is different from previous problem. You know what I'm saying? But this one, you just do 2 up to here, and then curly brace inside there to deal with the both side not 2 problem. Just check up to here, you have a 2, and then curly brace. Delete everything. Curly brace. Okay, so here you do see a 2 now, right? You do see a
Yeah.
2. You may have a 2 happening right here. You may have a 2 happening right here. This one you don't check your left side. This one you don't check your right side. But whenever you check, you need to make sure both sides are not 2. Then that one you return false. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Your problem is not coding. Your problem is right here, the thinking process right now. Your thinking process is not clean. It's a little bit messy right now. Okay? That's the part you need to work on. Odin, I have confidence on you. No problem. Still wrong. Let me see. You cannot directly return because your left side is not 2. Your right side maybe is 2. So you cannot directly return. These 2, you have to think about it how to code it. you check you check you cannot check this one, but you cannot say this. You need to check this one.
One of them is
You
also
check
the
this
above
one.
between.
You check this one. You cannot say it actually. It is you check. Okay, you check this one. This one there's no two here, but you still need to check the right side. You still need to check the right side. You cannot. It's not easy as one if statement. You have to think about it. Slow down, think about it, clearly see it before you do coding. Right now, you are rushing yourself to do coding. I'm not going to code for you. I'll let you struggle, okay? You have to figure it out. I'll let you struggle. Okay. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Just finish this one.
Next one. Hello?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'm thinking.
This problem is you actually want to do this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pick these two, drop these two, pick these two. Pick two, drop two, pick two, drop two. Oh man.
Okay.
So how are you going to do this?
Hmm.
So what is the counter for?
To check like if it skips the 2.
Too complicated.
Hmm.
Too complicated.
Oh. Wait, do I delete it?
No, you keep doing. I haven't figured out what are you trying to do yet.
Okay.
Okay. I will say again, you are wasting your time.
Hmm?
You're wasting your time. Your purpose is you want to create 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Your counter look like you want to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but actually this counter is a stupid idea. You don't need a counter. You don't need this totally garbage. Let me clean it up first. You just need to do one statement. So why are you doing the counter?
Oh, okay.
Your eye already tell you which number it is,
Yeah, okay.
right?
Yeah.
So I say you are wasting your time. You are messing around the counter. I draw this diagram for you right here. The
Yeah,
purpose
at the
is,
beginning I was like thinking of like
I
doing wall jump.
told you, I'm actually trying to teach you that it's actually related to this I number. You create the counter, but counter doesn't tell you any new information. I already tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's okay to struggle, okay? It's okay to struggle, but that's the part you need to improve, okay? Do more efficient coding. You need to see the problem, the nature of the problem, and really go into thinking, how can I solve the problem in an easier way, okay? And you create a counter and then keep doing changing counter, you're messing up yourself, okay? Next one, let me have Jump your turn. I Jump your turn. Okay, good job. It's a good idea. One more. Okay, good idea. Good job. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. your index, you do not study the index carefully.
Oh,
You did not solve the problem before you come to coding. Okay, so whatever you are doing right now is actually totally useless. So do drawing first, making sure you understand the problem. What I can see right here, you are not doing the right thing, missing a lot of thing, not just one thing. This one, you
yeah.
have a y something k,
Oh,
and then you chop the first three later. What are you doing trying to do?
yeah.
You keep using this for loop, you are not going to solve the problem. You have to
Okay.
redo thinking for the whole problem before you do coding. Okay, don't change this. This is of no use.
Hmm?
You need to rethink this problem over again. Your overall game plan is wrong. The way you are planning is wrong. So whatever you are doing, not going to solve the problem. You have to draw diagram, making sure you understand what this one really need to be solved. It's just saying that you see a y something k, you are going to delete that y something k.
Right. But if I fix this line, won't it
The
work?
overall is wrong. I told you already. You fix that won't fix the problem. The overall approach is wrong. I already told you. You have to rethink about the problem, how to solve the problem. I can only tell you the way you are doing is wrong. One more problem you will have is that you check up to here, but you may have two more later. Where are your two more later? You just delete them?
No, but don't I check to like the last
Don't answer me right now. You have to think about it. You haven't go through your brain yet. You may have something that actually is not Y something K. You may have Z, but your last two later won't be added. That's wrong, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So your loop doesn't work. You have to rethink your overall approach. That's what I want to tell you. You are too defensive. You try to defend your idea. And then if you are wrong, you defend your wrong idea, then you go into even more trouble. You will never get out of your own the scenario you set up by yourself. That's the problem you have right now. I'm trying to help you to get out of there. Don't use a wrong method that's set up by yourself. That's a trap. You have to think about overall approach again. You need to check every letter, including the last two. If there is a YAK, you delete it. If not, you don't delete it. You have to add the letter in. That's the overall approach you need to have. Don't defend your own idea. You defend your own idea, you are going to be trapped there forever. You are not going to get out. Okay?
Okay.
My job is not to criticize you. My job is to help you to find the right answer quicker. So you need to be flexible. Flexible means that you need to listen first before you provide your own idea. Okay?
Yeah.
It's okay you have your own idea. That's okay, totally okay. But before somebody tell you the better thinking process, don't just come up with your, oh, I did this because I fixed this. I already told you your way is going to trap yourself. Then you need to listen. Listen means that you have an open mind to accept people's criticism. And then listen, really look into, oh, okay, this I'm wrong here. Then you will be able to get out of the problem. So at this moment, I told you, you need to check every letter. So you need to go through the forum to check every letter. You only check the YAK in the middle of somewhere, and you bypass the three word. That's the way you solve the problem.
Okay.
You set up I less than the strength length that length minus 2. You already go into the trouble. You are not going to get things back. This is also wrong.
Hmm?
This is also wrong. This is also wrong. You have a str here, you have a y something k. You may have another y something k down the road, but you already changed it, you delete this one, then your I already changed. Your whole indexing is will be changed. You delete this one, your original string str already been changed. So overall, this won't work.
Okay.
Okay. You keep thinking on it, okay? This time I'm not going to help you to give you the answer yet, okay?
Okay.
You keep thinking on it. Next one, let me have Jiang, your turn. Sorry for the waiting. Right, Jiang, your turn. Hello, hi, Jiang, hear me? Hi, Jiang, hear me? He dropped out. Okay, Harrison, go back. Yeah, you need the R. Yeah, you need that. So if this happen, what happened to R?
It adds like the
It add what?
like the letters
No, no. It is happen, it add nothing. If this happen, it add nothing.
okay.
No, that's also wrong. If it happens, what should you do? You do see a Y something K, what will you do?
Like you don't add it,
You don't need it, and then more than that.
but you add like the middle letter. No.
No. You don't add the middle letter. You don't create something that they don't tell you. You need to bypass this word to here. You don't add, but your I need to advance. So the right answer is like I plus equals to else, adding the character in. You still have one bug. I'll tell you later after you check.
Okay.
You see, there's still one bug. So what's the bug? Oh, wait, don't type. What is the bug?
Uh, this loop has to be -1.
No, that's wrong. Don't give the quick answer. You have to think about it carefully. The way you set up your loop to be going to everyone is because you want to check every later. So you don't change it here, because once you change it here, you will still have some data you haven't checked. So keep this there, you cannot move that. It's the window have the problem here. So your I less than str at the length minus 2 and this in the if.
Wait, what did you say again?
It's the if. Right here, you need to have the I less than str at the minus 2. Less than. You're typing greater than. Str at the length minus 2, I told you. Go. Okay, your problem right now is that you are not using your brain. It's just, oh, let me change this here, or let me change it. You did not think about the consequences.
Okay.
You just think, oh, give me a formula. I just use the formula. That's it. There is no one formula that can work for every situation. That's for coding. This is not math. Coding is even more complicated.
Okay.
There's no one formula that, okay, let me use I equals 0, I less than 2, and then you will do it. No, you won't do that. You have to really make sure that you understand why here you actually sometimes has minus 2, why you don't. Okay? You have to
Okay.
figure it out. We are over 9 o'clock and jump long away. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, good night then. But whatever I can tell you right now is slow down, really think about the problem through. Okay, like this one, I keep emphasizing you have to go over the overall solution because you need to check every data. So in that case, you don't go back to just easily change this number. Okay,
Okay.
you don't do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good night then. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.